Hey guys, I got this 2005 GMC Sierra here, and it looks like it's been through the ringer. The paint on it is so dull, it's brushed up against so many trees or this and that. It's just got scratches all over it. I've never buffed anything in my life, so I went and bought a buffer today, and we're gonna see if we can't make this truck shine a little bit more than not at all. Just that little bit I just started, I take a look at all that, and then just a little bit, really just shine it right up. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Got it all shined up the best that I can. For the first time doing it, definitely a learning experience. Don't think I had a strong enough compound or the wrong pad, or maybe I needed a new pad halfway through. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Did I miss a step? Did I not do it right? Let me know how you do it. I've really never done this before. I've always been really intimidated to take what's essentially a grinder to paint. I think most people are intimidated by it. So it turned out all right. You know, truck's got 250,000 on it, so it's good enough. So if you like this video, hit subscribe, like. I'm gonna try to have as regular content as I can do, and we'll get back to the Ford soon.